Let's check out the instructions of how to replace KT headlights for Kawasaki Ninja 400. It is recommended that you remove them separately in order. Take these cushions off first. Pull back here to get it out. Remove both mirrors and windshield. Remove the top fender apron first. After loosening these two screws, pull out the other side fender apron directly. Then remove the lower fender apron. Remove the screws and nails under the headlights. You can take the nail out by sticking it in here. Take the steps to unscrew all the screws here. Then you can remove it. Do the same with the other side. Remove these screws from the front part one by one. The front part can be unwired and removed. Then find a flat place. Then remove the rest. Remove these screws and remove the headlight assembly. Take out the glue plug. Next, directly replacement of the KT headlight assembly. Install the original screws directly. After installing the assembly, it's time for the wiring section. Fix the switch on the handlebar first. Connect the switch. Flip the front part and connect the main light wire. Start testing light seat. Install some screws after the test is working. And here's the turn signal wire. The turning signal wire should be connected on the positive terminal of the original turn signal. The gray wire here is the positive line. After turning on the turn signal and test it, then put the fairing back on. Put all the parts back together. The installation is completed.